Endeavour Instruments Private Limited introduced a new pipe weighing scale. The pipe weighing system is a specially designed weighing system for heavy cylindrical materials such as pipes, tubes, and rollers. The system consists of two independent weighing modules placed at a configurable distance, equipped with V-saddle-type structures to securely hold pipes. This product is fully customizable as per customer requirements, including capacity and length. Features and supported hardware are: standard PLC-based control panel for communication with plant automation, IR sensor for accurate pipe positioning, computer system for weighing software, smart indicator for storage of data.